Well, now it makes a little more sense to me because I was like, the Garden?
Yeah, well, there you go. They finally answered your question. Right now, the country is split in half. They're either following the World Cup or Taylor Swift, one of the two.
I think World Cup's got a slight advantage over Taylor Swift. I promise you that.
For once, right?
Oh, yeah. Worldwide. Isn't it cool to see these countries and their passion for their teams? I just love that.
And it's bringing so many people together.
That's the biggest.
Like even here in the U.S., of course, we're rooting for Team USA, but you also see so many people rooting for other countries after the USA.
You've got heritage.
Awesome to see.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's talk about the 4th of July. First, of course, is tonight's 3rd of July, and we've got a little bit of rain on radar. Nothing near San Antonio at the moment, but if you're traveling, I want to show you the I-10 corridor. But first, let's start with the 4th of July in San Antonio. Tomorrow night, looking good. Partly cloudy skies, no big changes in what weather pattern we're under now, which will be clearing afternoon skies, humid in the mid-80s. And as you get to that fireworks hour, keep in mind between 9 and 10, the winds 15, sometimes gusting near 20 miles per hour. Take precautions when lighting those fuses. If you've got a weekend getaway, Saturday, Sunday, hey, why not stay for Monday? I've got no chance of rain at Corpus Christi or Austin or even South Padre Island, 93. Nice hot weekend for Fredericksburg in the mid-90s. The hottest, though, will be the state capital. Pair of 98s for the 4th and 5th of July in Austin. Overlooking downtown, a little bit of a hazy sun, nice afternoon, hot afternoon, 94. Exactly where we should be. 98 on the feels like with a dew point in the upper 60s. Southeast winds going to maintain that dew point. If you're heading out this evening, here we are at Morgan's Wonderland Camp overlooking the hill country. We've got 94 to 92 by 7, and we won't see 80s till probably 9 p.m. tonight. And then we won't see 70s until probably 2 or 3 in the morning. So again, it's a very warm weather pattern. It always takes hours before we can really cool down a little bit. Here are some thunderstorms lifting out of the Gulf and moving right up into the Houston area. A couple of isolated showers near Victoria, Cuero, and Hallettsville this afternoon. So again, if you're traveling I-10 tonight, just be on the lookout for a couple of isolated downpours, but looks like we're getting on the backside of this already, and a lot of this rain is already raining itself out and ending. Remember, high pressure is still well in control, so anything that does develop has a struggle holding together, and it doesn't look like the high is going to loosen its grip heading into next week. I'll show you the adjustment on rain chances in a moment. First, our 4th of July starts cloudy, 77 in the city. Then we're going 94, maybe even 95 tomorrow. And please keep in mind the heat index, 100 at least for San Antonio and the metro, 102 to 104 when you get down to the south and west of the city. All right, 14-day forecast. The rain chance change. You know, we're dropping Sunday, Monday now. Just looks like the high's not going to loosen its grip. Maybe a 10% chance Tuesday, Wednesday, as in the 7th and 8th of July. And then we're holding mid-90s on the second set of 7 days. Notice about a 10 to 20% chance comes in for the 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th. Again, 4th of July looks good, but hot. 95 on the thermometer, 100 to 101 on what it's going to feel like. Again, please make sure you're hydrating with this kind of heat. Mid to upper 90s for sure on the stress for your body. Just pay attention. Your body is designed to give you those warning signs.